Today is a story of a man who abandoned the world around him so that he can invest his complete time in inventing new things for the betterment of the world. Today is the story of a man who failed to compete with the immoral world, who had no idea of making business, who illuminated everyone's house but lived in dark. At the end of this video, you will realize that there are two sides for any invention. Today is the story of an engineering scientist, Nikola Tesla, who was born in Smiljan, Croatia on July 10, 1856. We can't thank enough Tesla because when majority of the world was still lit by candle power, an electrical system known as alternating current was invented by him. And till this day, what powers every home is his invention. But widespread word was it was Thomas Edison who invented light bulb and lighted every house. But hold your breath to hear the truth. Edison improvised upon the ideas of 22 other men who pioneered the light bulb before him. In June 1884, Tesla left to New York City with 4 cents in his pocket and with a recommendation letter to Thomas Edison to hire him from Charles Batchelor, who is a former employer to Thomas Edison. The letter contains message, "My dear Edison, I know 2 great men and you are one of them, the other is this young man." Edison offered Tesla $50,000 if he could fix the problems he was having with the diesel generators and motors.
If somehow your crazy ideas can manage to improve my inventions, I will pay you $50,000.
Tesla fixed the machines, and when he asked for the money he was promised, Edison laughed and said, "Tesla, you don't understand our American humor."
50,000? Young man, you don't seem to understand American humor.
Tesla soon separated from Thomas Edison and started working on alternate current. On the other hand, Edison was not happy because at the time he was trying to sell the world direct current system. Edison used dogs and cats on display and publicly electrocuted them using Tesla's alternating current to make public believe it was too dangerous for home use. In order to take away fear of alternating currents, Tesla gave exhibitions in his laboratory in which he lit lamps by allowing electricity to flow through his body. Later, it is George Westinghouse, head of the Westinghouse Electric Company in Pittsburgh, bought the patent rights to Tesla's polyphase system of alternating current dynamos, transformers, and motors. Tesla soon established his own laboratory where his inventive mind could be given free rein. Have you heard of Marconi who invented radar? But did you know that everything he did was based on the work previously done by Tesla? In the same way, have you heard of radar? The wonderful detection system that uses radio waves to determine the range, angular velocity of objects. Robert A. Watson was credited with the invention of radar in 1935, but Tesla suggested to US Navy at the beginning of World War I. But unfortunately, Thomas Edison, who was the head of the R&D for US Navy, disapproved, saying it had no practical application in war. In the same boat falls when Tesla experimented with shadow graphs similar to those that later were to be used by Wilhelm Röntgen when he discovered X-rays in 1895. Tesla also warned X-rays could be dangerous and stated not to conduct medical experiments with them, even though Edison got to work on human trials in X-ray experimentation. His employee Clarence Daly, who exposed to too much radiation, had to amputate his arm to survive and eventually died. Tesla proved to world practical and natural energy source by building the first hydroelectric plant at Niagara Falls. Tesla successfully produced a rare phenomena called ball lightning, which appears in the form of a sphere and travels slowly while hovering a few feet above the ground. You will be wondered to know his inventions like remote control, neon lighting, electric motor, wireless communications, transistor, Tesla's earthquake mission, and many more to pen down that Tesla obtained around 300 patents worldwide for his inventions. There are minimum of 278 known patents issued to Tesla in 26 countries. Tesla lived his last decades in a New York hotel working on new inventions even as his energy and mental health faded. Nikola Tesla, a great scientist everyone should know. He worked days and nights, but he did not get the recognition he deserved. If you think he deserves recognition, do share this video. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram and subscribe us on YouTube at Ragashri Video.